Strategies for successfully trading binary options. Successful trading is a skill you can learn. The famous Turtle Traders founder Richard Dennis made history not only through his record-breaking trading performance, but also for transforming the lives of a handful of individuals like you and me in under 2 weeks. He believed that he could pass on his successful principles as a trader to a non-professional trader, and that based on them following his principles to the letter, they too can become just as successful. Contrary to his peers' opinions, he proceeded to do just that, and the rest is history. Binary options trading strategy. Binary options trading may be a fairly new investment vehicle, but it should be no different to any other style of trading. You need returns which range from 70% to 95% in under an hour make them appealing, but should approached with the same discipline of any investment vehicle. All the tools a traditional trader uses to trade his market, whether it is currency, stocks, options, indices and commodities, are critical for their success. Charts. It is important to be prepared and to have all these tools available for you to utilize and become familiar with. Charts are readily available online for a reasonable price. Most people pay anywhere from $40 to $200 a month, depending on what services and markets they subscribe to. When starting out, keep it simple and minimize your costs. There are several free charts you can simply Google within seconds and view directly online. Indicators. The next feature of the chart is the indicators, and depending on the strategy that you learn, you will only need a select few to get the job done. Again, follow the strategy to the letter, as too much information can be just as bad as having none in the first place, so it is important to keep it simple. Trends. The point of using the charts and the selected indicators is to determine where the market is going. This is called a trend, and it can either be going up, down or sideways at any particular time interval. This is particularly relevant to binary options, because you only need to identify up or down by even a fraction, point or pick in order to receive a payout. There is a saying that traders have at the back of the mind, and it says, "The trend is your friend," and it is intended to remind us that we do not fight the markets. Trading journal. All professional traders use a system to document their performance using a trading journal. This is critical, as they not only study the charts from the previous day, month or year, but they also monitor their trade performance so that they can identify and adjust their strategy to improve what is working and eliminate what is not. This is an essential characteristic of the professional trader that one starting out must emulate. Money management. Once you learn about your trading strategy and documenting your performance using a trading journal, you then need to understand money management. Another term for money management is risk management. Without money management, you're relying on your luck, and that could run out when you least expect it. Mindset. One thing a lot of people take for granted is why a casino always ends up winning. That is because they have all these systems to define the rules and control their market and increase their chances of success. They never deviate from these rules, not one bit, and they always expect to win.